Hello guys, back again with another new video tutorial in which I will tell you about how you can add the fingerprint or how you can use a fingerprint lock in your device OnePlus Nord 2T. So if in this device you want to add the fingerprint to use to unlock your phone, or you can say you want to use the finger unlock, you can do it by the methods I will show you. Before that, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can add the fingerprint to your device.